So you guys are not able to increase your spending limits for Instagram promotion? Don't worry, I am here to solve this issue permanently, but for that you guys have to watch my video till the end. So let's start this video. Hey people, my name is Bhavesh and I often make troubleshooting videos on this channel relating to tech and many problem solving videos. That is, previously I had made a video on business account implementation problem where I showed a way by which you can convert your personal account into a business account even if Instagram does not let you do so, and many more tech service videos, solution videos whose links I have dropped in my description box. You guys can check it out from there. So moving into my video, I'll give you a solution by which you guys can solve your spending limits problem. That is, you guys will able to promote your Instagram post, videos, stories and whatever you want. But listen, this is not my solution. Many people have said that this solution worked for them, and due to mass approval of people, I'm convinced that I should make a video on this topic. And the solution is simply convert your business account into a professional or creator account. Yes, that's it. 9 out of 10 people have given green flag for this solution, and listen, if you belong to that 1 out of 10 category people, I can't help right now, but you guys can subscribe my channel and wait till I upload another new video relating to this problem. But seriously, I say, just try to convert your business account into any creator or personal professional account, and it will definitely work. So if it works, don't forget to drop a comment, yes it worked, and also don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel as I keep uploading these types of videos more often, as I am not consistent on this channel, but I keep on trying to stay more and more active. So yes guys, subscribe, and also you can follow me on my Instagram whose link I have dropped in my description box. You can follow me on my social media handles. So this much for today.